Hello, my name is Milan Pap. I'm a lecturer in the computer school Maret.
Let's start lesson 005, AutoCAD tools, drawing settings, object snap, parallel. Switch to AutoCAD. Menu tools and then drawing settings. Option object snap. Tool parallel. These tools can draw parallel line. From menu tools, you can choose command drawing settings and then select card object snap. You can switch on tool parallel and then press button OK. You can draw a line. Left click on the icon line and then left click in the drawing area to set first point of